equals your Torre Dell just doesn't start at all. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Your Torre Dell might be facing power issues which can happen due to a faulty power supply or battery. By replacing the damaged components and ensuring everything is properly connected, we can get your device up and running smoothly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.